we have to discuss about total output offset voltage with feedback. In the temperature and power supply voltages are fixed. The output offset voltage is a function of gain of an op amp. Okay. However, we saw that the gain of op amp with feedback is always less than that without feedback. Therefore, the output offset voltage with feedback must always be smaller than without feedback. Specifically, total output offset voltage with feedback equal to total output offset voltage without feedback by 1 plus AB. That is, V with V without offset voltage with feedback equal to plus or minus Vsat by 1 plus AB. Vsat equal to saturation voltages, A equal to open, open loop voltage gain of the op amp, B equal to gain of the feedback circuit, B equal to gain of the feedback circuit, that is R1 by R1 plus RF. The output voltage of the op amp without feedback can be either Vsat or minus Vsat because of its very high voltage gain, which is typically on the order of 10 power 5. Note that VOT equation for the inverting amplifier is same as that for the non-inverting amplifier. This is because when the input signal Vin is reduced to 0, both inverting and non-inverting amplifiers results in the same circuit. For more information on the total output offset voltage, next we have to discuss. In addition, because of negative feedback, the effect of noise variation in supply voltages and changes in temperature on the output voltage of the inverting amplifier are significantly reduced. Finally, the two special cases of the inverting amplifier with feedback are current to voltage converter and the inverter. Okay.